Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will share with some Udemy courses which are absolutely for educational and informational purposes only. Those courses are available online and which are absolutely free of cost. So let's see, the first course is on Photoshop Basics. So to get this course you have to copy the link and paste the link in the browser. As you can see this, it is Photoshop Basics, so it is absolutely free of cost, so you can enroll now. So the next course is on image adjustment and adjustment layers in Photoshop. So to get this course you have to copy the link and paste the link in the browser. So as you can see this course is basically adjustment layers, adjustment images in Photoshop. So this course is absolutely free of cost. So to get this course you have to enroll now. So the next course is Adobe After Effects CC Basic. So to get this course you have to copy the link and paste the link in the browser. Those who are want to learning Adobe After Effects CC Basic, this course will be game changing for them. So two downloadable resources and 1.5 hours on demand video. So enroll now. And the next course is on useful Excel for beginners. So copy the video link. So copy the course link and paste it in the browser. So one of my viewers have told me to provide this course. So that's why I am providing this course for him. So useful Excel for beginners, and this is 59 downloadable resources, access mobile and TV, free access. So enroll now before it expires. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.